Hey friends, Mrs. E here, and today we are going to be talking about cues. Now, cues let you know in music when it's time to do something. You're going to see this most often in the form of a director or a conductor using their hands to let their ensemble know that it's time to do something. So when you see a conductor go and start with their hands, they do not have to say and start. They just do it with their hands like this. And the musicians know to start playing. In our videos, even if we don't see a conductor telling us what to do, we still have a lot of cues. So if I take a look at this body percussion, I have a couple of cues. The first cue I have is my little heart. It's over the body percussion that I am doing at that moment. That little heart going from beat to beat to beat to beat is a type of cue. It's not a director cue, it's just a visual looking at cue. And another visual cue that I look at is going to be down here. It's going to tell me the next pattern. We also have visual cues in our rhythm play-alongs. In this case, this lighter pink is telling me which rhythm I'm on at the moment. So I should be, if I pressed play, I should be at the point where I'm saying cupcake instead of bear. We also have cues in our play options as well. I'm in Chrome Music Lab in the rhythm experiment, and if I press play, my little monsters will start playing this rhythm, and I will see a cue that is telling me where I am so that I know what is coming next. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. So on and so forth. So a cue is often by a conductor, but it doesn't always have to be. It lets you know that it's time to do something. So as you are looking at our videos today, especially our Sing and Say videos, make sure that you are looking at your cues and you're following what to do next. Have so much fun. Bye, guys.